When I made the first season of the 1 Minute Show between 2018 and 19, 100 episodes, the overarching theme was to encourage you to win. And I'll admit, because post 2017 I started winning, the results were coming, and I wanted to share more, the ego kept getting bigger, and then I wanted to win more, and so on and so forth. But in 2020, I got time to reflect on my past decade. And astonishingly, I realized that the times that I remember the most are the times when I had the most joy, the time when I had the most fun. And a lot of times, those joy has not been by setting up some money target and winning it. A lot of times, these fun has nothing to do with winning. It is sharing moments with loved ones, doing things that I love doing, like playing cricket or basketball or designing something for someone just out of pure joy for it. So I'll admit, I'm shifting my focus. Whatever I've been doing for the past few months and what you've been seeing me doing in the future is from the perspective of maximizing joy. I don't want my wins to define me either. I want to be defined as the guy who had the most fun.